If you want to quickly change the color of text in CapCut PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simple step-by-step method to update your text color using the right side editing panel so you can make your captions, titles, and overlays match the style of your video. This is a fast and easy edit, and once you know where to click, it only takes a few seconds. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tips and editing guides. It really helps the channel grow and it lets you know when more helpful tutorials are posted. Alright, let's get into it. First, make sure your text is already added to your project inside CapCut PC. You should see it on the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is important because the color setting only appears after the text layer is selected. Now click on the text layer in the timeline. As soon as you select it, CapCut will open the editing options on the right side of the screen. This right panel is where all of your text settings are located, including font, style, size, spacing, effects, and color. Once the text layer is selected, look over to the right panel and check for the color option. Depending on your version of CapCut, it may be labeled as color, text color, or simply shown with a color box or swatch. This is the setting that controls the appearance of your text. Next, click the color dropdown or the color box. A color picker will appear, giving you a range of preset colors and sometimes a custom color option as well. From here, choose the text color you want. You can select a basic color like white, black, red, blue, or yellow, or you can fine-tune the shade if your version of CapCut supports custom colors. After selecting the color, you should see the text update immediately in the preview window. If it doesn't change right away, make sure the correct text layer is still selected and that you click the actual color setting in the right panel. If you want the text to stand out more, you can also combine the color change with other text adjustments like bolding the font, adding an outline, or placing the text on a contrasting background. That can make your text much easier to read, especially on busy video clips. And that's it. Changing the color of text in CapCut PC is that easy. Just select the text layer in the timeline, find the color option in the right panel, and choose the color you need from the dropdown. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and check out the rest of the channel for more CapCut PC tutorials, beginner editing tips, and quick fixes like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.